The first question is, what is the full form of GST? So what GST stand for? Your answers are Goods and Supply Tax, Goods and Services Tax, General Sales Tax, or Government Sales Tax. The correct answer? The GST stands for, or full form is, Goods and Service Tax. So friends, it is known as Goods and Services Tax. It is an indirect tax, okay, to imposed on the supply of goods and services. Okay, so GST stands for Goods and Services Tax. The tax is charged on the goods and services. Okay, let's move on to the question number 2. Which state became the first state of India to ratify the GST bill? I mean, which state of India actually approved for the GST bill very first time in India? Okay, your answers are Assam, Telangana, Bihar, or Arunachal Pradesh. Your correct answer is the first state which has approved or ratified the GST bill is Assam. Friends, on 12th of August 2016, Assam became the first state to ratify GST bill. Later on, Bihar and Jharkhand became the second and third state to ratify the GST on 16th of August and 17th of August 2016. Okay, so the first state of India which has ratified the GST bill is Assam. Let's move on to the question number 3. In India, the GST is based on the dual model GST. From which country it has been adopted? So from which country GST model has been adopted? Your answers are UK, Canada, USA, or Japan. So the correct answer that we Indian, our country, has adopted the GST based idea from Canada. Friends, Canada GST model is what we Indian is trying to achieve. Okay, so India has chosen the Canadian model of dual GST structure. Okay, to say only few countries in the world has this dual country model, like India, Canada, Brazil, etc. Okay, so India got the idea or adopted the GST model from Canada. Right, let's move on to the question number 4. GST is a consumption of goods and services tax based on, your answers are development, dividend, destiny, or destination. Your answer is destination. Friends, destination based tax is based on the consumptions of goods or services. Okay, it is a tax we pay for using goods and services. Let's move on to the question number 5. The number of structures in India's GST model is. So how many structures are there in India's GST model? Your answers are 6, 4, 3, and 5. The correct answer is 4. The GST was carefully crafted, okay, done to keep both burden on the common man and inflation rates in mind. Okay, the 4 structure contains 4 separate rates, like a 0 rate, lower rate, standard rate, and higher rate. So let me repeat again: 0 rate, lower rate, standard rate, and higher rate. So these are the structures, okay, that India GST has. Right, so that's what you call the Indian GST is a 4 structure based model. And what are these structures? What are these interest and rates? We'll see in coming questions. Let's move on to the question number 6. The maximum rate for CGST is. So what is the maximum rate for CGST? Your answers are 28%, 12%, 18%, and 14%. The correct answer is 14%. Friends, it is clearly mentioned in the section of 8 of the CGST Act, okay, that the taxes be levied on all intrastate supplies of goods and or services, okay, but the rate of tax shall be not exceeding 14% each. It means the CGST should not cross more than 14%, okay, and that's what we call the maximum rate for CGST is 14%. Right? So let's move on to the question number 7. Who is called the father of GST in India? Your answers are Arun Jaitley, Indira Gandhi, Manmohan Singh, or Atal Bihari Vajpayee. Here the correct answer is Atal Bihari Vajpayee. Because when Atal Bihari Vajpayee was as Atal Bihari Vajpayee was the Prime Minister of India, he actually set a committee to study and to get implemented the model of GST in India from Canada. And that's what we call Atal Bihari Vajpayee as the father of GST in India. Right? So let's move on to the question number 8. Taxes that are implemented or charged on any intrastate purchase are. So what kind of GST, okay, is implemented when you do the intrastate purchase? So friends, let me tell you, intrastate purchase means, in simple words, supplying goods and services within a state, okay, within a state border, not going be out of the state. So that kind of purchase is called as an intrastate purchase. In that case, what is GST? I mean, what kind of GST is implemented? The answers are IGST, CGST and SGST, SGST, or none of the above. Answer is CGST and SGST. So friends, when a person supply goods and services within a state, in the same state, in that case, the CGST and SGST he has to pay. So the government charge the tax that is in the form of CGST and SGST, right? Let's move on to the question number 9. What does I in IGST stands for? So what does I full form in the IGST? Answers are internal, integrated, internal, or intra. Your answer is integrated. Yes, friends. Friends, IGST stands for Integrated Goods and Services Tax. So IGST is one of 3 components of goods and services. Okay, and IGST tax implemented when there is an interstate transfer of goods and services. Okay, when any kind of goods and services transfer out of the state, then IGST is implemented. Okay, so let's move on to the question number 10. IGST payable when the supply is. So when we pay IGST, the options are: do we pay when you do purchase from interstate, or intra-UT, or intrastate, or all of the above? So the correct answer is intrastate. Friends, IGST is charged when movement of goods and services from one state to another. For example, if goods are moved from Tamil Nadu to Kerala, in that case the IGST is implemented on those goods. Okay, the revenue out of IGST is shared by state government and the central government as per the rates fixed by the GST authorities. Okay, so friends, hope you got the benefits of attending all these 30 questions, and I'm sure that you may able to attend and give maximum answers that may come in the future based on GST. If this video has helped you, then please do subscribe and comment your views in the comment section. Your comments inspire us to bring such great videos for your examinations. So thank you for giving your valuable time and watching this video completely. See you in the next video. Till that, take care and have a great time.